Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I have two pieces that I'll be installing on my Traxxas TRX4 Bronco. I have the 8066, the front bumper push bar, and I have part number 8074, the Ford Bronco spare tire and carrier. I'm going to start out by getting the push bar installed. Again, this is part number 8066. I believe this is actually out of stock right now on the Traxxas website. I think I lucked out by logging on at the right time, the right day. So inside the pack, you actually get the push bar, of course, and you get two screws. These mount on the underside of the push bar. I love this push bar since I saw it on the demo before the Bronco was released. So as soon as I had a chance to grab one, I made sure I did. So to get started, I want to get the body off. Alright, so I got the body off. So really this just clips on the front bumper. Besides tightening up two screws at the bottom just to hold it in place, it's pretty much a snap-on upgrade, hop me up, whatever you want to call it. So on the underside of the bumper there are two holes. This is the black piece here, and the chrome push bar will screw right into that. Alright, so those two screws are in. This push bar is done. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the spare tire carrier. So again, this is part number 8074. This is another piece that's very hard to find. Again, just must have got on the Traxxas website on the right day and the right time. I just noticed on the pack too, they have a Ford Scan and Win code. Not really sure what that's about, so I'll have to look into that. Alright, so inside the pack you get the hardware, the instructions. These are two back brackets. This is the actual spare tire. It's a hollow piece, non-functional. It's super lightweight compared to a regular spare tire would be. This way you don't have to worry about too much weight. So here is the tire carrier. Now the cool thing about this is you can use the included Ford Bronco spare, but if you really wanted to carry a functional spare, you have the ability to do so. There's just a regular screw with kind of a hex design, so a spare tire would fit on just fine. Just don't forget that a regular spare would be a lot heavier than this piece of plastic here. This is a lot lighter than what a functional spare would be. So getting into the installation of this, it's real simple. All you really have to do is use a body reamer and ream out the top two holes. The bottom hole is actually already open, it's just behind a sticker. So I kind of just poked it open. The sides are the same thing, just need a body reamer to drill out the two holes. There's one up top and then there's one at the bottom here. Alright, so I'm going to start the installation process. Real simple. You have the back little buttons, they just kind of pop into the holes that you made with the body reamer. And on the inside, just follow the diagram. There's an arrow for this side up. Put the bracket to the back side of the spare tire carrier and then just put the screws in. And this is how it's going to look when you get done. Make sure the arrow is pointing up and put the two screws in. Now the bottom screw already has a little plastic back piece. Alright, so those three screws are done. I'm going to move on to the side. Alright, so the side just uses another bracket. Note the direction of the arrow, and you're going to put this on here and go ahead and get the screws in. And this piece will be screwed in from the outside. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the bracket installed. And like I said, the screws just come on from the outside. So the spare tire carrier's on. I'm going to go ahead and get started on putting together the spare tire, or the fake spare tire, to mount onto the carrier. Now there are three screws that will go in here to hold the two pieces together. And when you put the fake spare tire on, you're going to put the back on here. And this will be held on with a nut. Now, I didn't read the directions. I should have installed this fake spare tire before actually mounting the carrier. So I will need to remove it in order to get it all together. Or I can just go ahead and rock this spare tire. For the record, these are actually fake hinges. The tire carrier does not swing away. Alright, so now it's hooked up. Spare tire first, mount it to the carrier, then mount the carrier to the body. Always read the directions. Alright guys, so that's it. I think it looks pretty good. I like the push bar up front. And I really like the spare tire in the back. I like the Ford Bronco logo. Alright guys, so that's about it. If you enjoyed what you saw, please go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And have a great day. See you soon.